Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys my Hot Wheels collection today. And I have a lot of cars that I've been collecting. And one of my favorite cars here is the Bugatti Chiron Zamac. So, I'll sit down and I'll show you guys a lot of my cars. So, this is the Chiron Zamac. And the paint job on it looks like it has little scratches, kind of. Because this car, is a Walmart edition, but these cars aren't really Walmart editions anymore because this year they've been having lots of problems getting Zamacs to the right stores. And I got this car here for Christmas. This one's really nice. And then here is a red Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and this one is like the newest color of the Centenario, I'm pretty sure, and it has really nice detailing, but it costs only $1, and has a really nice rear, and it has a V12. And then I got this one from the new 500 series, and it's the factory 500, and it has the Shelby logo on the back. And if you guys saw my other video, the Shelby GT350 full send video, that's the same type. So it's got a little bit extra detailing because this one cost a little bit more than $1. There's a little bit extra lights and stuff like that. And then I got this one. This is a newer one. It's called the Nissan correct me if I'm wrong, but 390 GT1. I'm not as good with those. I'm more into like supercars, but this is sort of a supercar. Got some nice details, and it has a front and back detailed, so it's really nice looking. And let's take you guys inside with some other ones, because I also got some Matchbox, and here I'll show you guys my Matchbox Bugatti Devo. It is the Manta Ray decal on top of it, and this is one of my favorites. Like, guys, if you need to get this for your collection, if you're a collector, like, this is like one of the best cars that you can get. Like, look at all that detail, it's so nice. And the back of it has so much. The only thing I don't really like too much about it is that, like, where the fin is, like, this part of it has, like, hollow, like, you can see through it, and, yeah, they kind of just made it, like, solid, but that's, like, really my only complaint about this really cool Bugatti. And then I actually have the recolor of this, too, that I found, like way before I even knew about it. And I was so surprised. I thought that I had found another Bugatti Devo, but I did not. This one is in black, and it has a light, nice pinstripe going down the center, and it's kind of like the same, but as this paint job is like matte black, and it's kind of like, I don't know if the camera can see it, but it has a lot of like very nice color. So that's the Devos. These are from Matchbox again, and these are like kind of new, so you guys might still be able to find this one in stores, but the gray one you probably won't. And then I got two, I'll show you guys two at once. I got these two. This one is a Chiron from the 5-pack. And this one, if you guys are collectors, again, you need to get this car because it's like in stores in a 5-pack right now, the Exotics one. So you better get this before the next Exotics pack comes out because it's not too hard to find. And it's kind of like the Porsches right now. It has like it looks like one of the Hot Wheels Porsches that's out. And the line for the C, it's like the C out shape on it. It is not really like silver, but it's white. It like looks different from each angle. And I also got a Bugatti Veyron, but I did not open this one up as for a mystery ever. I just got it for Christmas. My dad, I don't know where he got it though. It was already opened, so we didn't just get super lucky. And yeah, and I also got the yellow and gold one too. And they have a new Veyron out. It's like the casting's a bit different shaped, so it's pretty cool. And then if you guys want to see some other cars, I'll get out, like, for supercars, I will get out some Koenigsegg's. I'll get out all 3 of the Koenigseggs that I have. And if you guys know about the Jesko, if you guys already have the black one and the silver, there's a new color coming out soon. It's white with black viper stripes. This one's very nice. It's an Agera R. And it has the back detail too. And it has the Ghost Squadron Ghost on it for Koenigsegg. And this car here is like a little bit slower than the Bugatti Veyron in real life, but it's still very fast because Koenigseggs and Bugattis are 2 of the fastest. And with the companies, you never really know which cars are actually like the fastest. And there's always those different like opinions about who has the faster car. Like the proven, I guess, but it's not so proven. Because the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus has like 304 miles per hour, and then the SSC2 Atara is supposed to have 290, but they consider that the fastest. So this Koenigsegg Jesko here, there's like one in real life called the Absolute. It has no wing, and it's supposed to go like 300 miles per hour, and they're going to test it. I also have the silver. There's the 2 next to each other. And I think I like the black one, the look a bit better. And this one has viper stripes too. It's kind of hard to tell. And this one also has a dark gray. And let's put some more down. We got a lot of McLarens on the side here. Like, we got some speed tails, 2 colors. We got the first color, which is this one. It's like a bluish gray. Then we got this orange one here too. This is really nice. They got nice detail, really nice detailing. You can see through it, the roof. These ones are cool. Very cool. Guys, I love Hot Wheels cars so much. Like, they're the coolest hot toy cars I think you guys can get, and they cost so cheap for how good they are. They're very strong. And then here we got an orange Senna and a white Senna, but I have I have every single color except the ID one, so even the Zamac too. And these have different lights, if you guys can tell, because people were complaining about how detailed the front lights were, so they changed it a little bit. And this has see-through glass. And I've seen 2 Sennas in real life, and they you can see through the glass very well. And let's get some more cars out. And if you guys want to see Lamborghinis, I got a few out here. Here, I got one from the Exotics 5-pack. And I got a Centenario in white and red and a Huracan. So, here they are. This one's from the Factory 500, which is a new one. And this one's really nicely detailed. It's got the stripes. And then this one's the Huracan Super Trofeo, which is like a race car. And it has a very nice detailing on it. It's got the Italian stripe on it, 63, Lamborghini's number, and then the really big wing for downforce in the front splitter. And then we got another color, the Centenario, 1 out of the 3 colors that's out. And I forget there's an ID one out, but there might be. So, this is it. Got red on the bottom for the red details. And yeah, this one's a really nice one too. The Lamborghinis. And then I also have one more that I didn't show you guys, which is probably have more of them somewhere in the shop, but don't know where they are right now. We got a Veneno in gold. This one's really nice. And this one, I forget, it's from the Lamborghini pack. And then I have one more from the Lamborghini pack. So this will be the last one, but like I show you. Here it is. This one's a Murcielago SV. This is like a super rare one, guys. I'm so excited that I got this one. It's the SV logo, but it doesn't have any detailing on the back. Like this car here, I think they had 2 colors before, but they stopped making it for like a lot of years. So it's kind of disappointing. But luckily they brought out a new color in 2020, so that was awesome for me to get. And then, let's see, what else do we got to show you guys? Yeah, I got this Bentley Continental. It's a race car. It's got the Bentley colors and Bentley details. This one's really cool. It's a newer Continental. I have the older one too. Then I got another color of this one down here. It's a different green. It's got a number 8. And this is very detailed down there. Then it's got a number 8 too. And that one, the other one's got 100 on it. Then if you guys are Fast and the Furious fans, which I've only seen one of them, so I don't really know too much about them. But this is a nice, really cool BMW here. It's got like the side skirts on it, and it's very cool. It looks really cool down there on the ground. Let's turn the camera down. That's what it looks like. It's got the back detailed too. So this is a really cool car. And the last few cars I want to show you guys are like super rare cars. They're Matchbox, old ones. And here, I'll tell you guys a little bit about, like, I have 4 more cars for you guys to see. And here they are. This one's a Hot Wheels. And the date on it says it's made in 1988. And this one has a special feature on it, guys. The back of it opens like this because they're mid-engine cars. It's got like a bit of an engine, and it has a very old Hot Wheels wheels. And this one's pretty cool. And then this, like the next car I'm gonna show you guys, is like a surprise. It's very rare, like one of the rarest types you can get. Like, and there's only 15,000 of these in the whole earth. It's one of these special collector's ones. This is a Matchbox. It's got rubber wheels with even the tread. It's a Ferrari, and the interior is like super detailed. Like, I don't think you guys can see it, but it has red and black seats. It has silver details. The steering wheel has like a Ferrari logo on it. And it says Red Hot on the license plate. And then the last 2 cars I want to show you guys are the C8 Corvette and this other Matchbox that's old. So here's a C8 Corvette race car. This one's really nice. I was looking for this one for months, and I finally found it. Then my dad found like a whole bunch of them again at the store, so we got an extra one. And then this car here, this Matchbox, it's kind of has a crazy paint job, but if you guys like camo, this is good for you guys. Got a pink interior. And when I was walking outside, I didn't notice, but I figured out that it actually has a secret little feature here. The back of it opens up, and you guys can see in there, maybe. It's got like pink engine bay. And then for the last car that I'm going to show you guys on this video, is the Matchbox C8 Corvette. This one is very nice, and it's one of my fastest cars. I do tournaments with Hot Wheels, but like kind of like some time racing ones. But I never showed you guys it yet. So I'll make a tournament video. And this is it. Yeah, so those are my cars.